Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a word of warning because I've got a couple of messages and comments that have to do with this, and it seems to startle a few people, especially when you have the product advertised. So there's a big scam going on right now with fake antivirus renewal emails. It's really, really big. I'm getting actually a few of them. And even I've noticed that on the Outlook filters for spam seem to be not as good as they were. I'm getting more spam than usual. It was pretty good at removing what I didn't want to see. But lately, I don't know if the bad guys have kind of found a way to maybe circumvent the protections of the spam filters. But anyways, it's actually creating some stress for some people that are getting the emails and wondering what to do. So it comes up at something like this. This is an example I actually have received today. So it's going to tell you here your subscription may end in 1 day, activate now, and they tell you that your computer will no longer be protected. And of course, there's a activate or accept risk, and whatever you click, activate or accept risk, you're being sent to a page where, they're going to try to scam you. And, of course, they're saying there's a renewal discount. This is fake. It's extremely important to identify anything that's fake. First of all, look at the email address that it's sent from. This dana.parker@cobk12.org. That's not McAfee. It's immediately you could see that it's something weird. They have their own domain names, McAfee.com, and even then, they can spoof that. It doesn't matter. You never click an email like this. You never do anything. If you want to know if you have a third-party solution for antivirus and want to know if you're good, go and check your antivirus in your taskbar and look at the subscription within the antivirus. It's going to tell you probably that it's fine, and then you still have, I don't know how many months or days or weeks left for your subscription. Do not click in these. Never. Also, some people that have really don't have a lot of knowledge of computers get this and click because they think it has something to do with their computers. Remember, emails are sent from, other computers on the internet. They have nothing to do with your PC. Nothing. So ignore these emails. If there is a subscription that's ending on an antivirus, your antivirus itself will actually tell you something's not right. And you know what? I say it all the time. Having third-party antivirus is a waste of money. It does not protect you more. You're fine with what you have in your PC because that's not what's protecting you. Anyone that thinks that doesn't understand what security is all about. The antivirus is very far in the list of what is keeping you safe on computers. So, anyways, if you do get these kinds of emails, ignore them. Do not click on them. Do not even follow any instructions. You'll get scammed out of hundreds of dollars of, on your credit cards and so on. And there's also variations of those. There's one that also pops up. I've seen it a few times. It's going to tell you, instead of saying subscription may end, it's going to tell you, oh, we're going to renew the subscription automatically. So you'll be charged $354.95, which, of course, is going to drive you crazy. It's going to scare you because it's going to say, whoa, I don't have $350 to give to an antivirus. That is also fake. Never click on that. Never click, the button that says, cancel subscription or anything, because it's going to bring you to that scam. It's going to want you to give out details. Remember that through an email, no one asks you for personal details like a credit card information and so on. It doesn't work like that. Okay? If they do through email or any other way online say, oh, well, enter your credit card information about something that you're not aware of, you don't know anything about, or that looks suspicious, or that, is just in your face like this, never give any details. If you are in doubt, you can contact these companies through their authentic website that you can find easily, or just go through your antivirus. Like I said, it's going to tell you if everything's all right. That's where you should look, in your taskbar in the antivirus itself, not through anything through email. So ignore them, because these are really scammers trying to steal money from you. And do share this video to make sure that everyone out there, your friends, your family, know about these scams, because this is serious stuff. And you'd be surprised at the amount of people that got scammed just in the last year with all of this. I hear stories all the time. And I have a friend of mine that has a computer shop, and he tells me the amount of people that get scammed is crazy. So ignore. It's very important to understand that these are fake. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.